Hello children, today we are moving to one of your writing sessions, that is article writing. There are some rules we have to follow while we are writing an article. Okay, so now let me show you how to write an article. How to write an article. So first point, you have to remember that title. Your title should be eye-catching one. See, this is the most important part of your article, title. Huh? See, give your article a title that catches the attention of the reader. That is eye-catching. Your title of the article should be eye-catching. Okay. Next one, you have to remember that you have to divide your article as 3 paragraphs. Okay. In the first paragraph, you have to include the introduction of the topic. Okay. So in the introduction, you can include a slogan, a question, or amazing facts, a figure or statement, anything you can include in your introduction paragraph. This one also should be attractive and effective. Okay. So in the introduction, you can begin your article with a quotation or a popular poetic line that supports your topic most relevantly. Let the readers be satisfied that you are going to write something new and relevant. Okay. Now, next, second paragraph, you have to include the content. Okay. In the content also, you have to write down the relevant things related to the topic of your article. You can write about the causes, effects, present state of affairs, etc. in the second paragraph, that is content. And in the third paragraph, you have to write down the conclusion of the topic. Okay, so draw your solutions or the views about the topic, everything you can write down in the conclusion part. Okay, so these are the important things you have to remember while you are writing an article. First one, title should be there. Second one, paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. You have to divide your topic into 3 paragraphs. Okay. Title should be eye-catching, attractive. And in the paragraph first, you have to write down the introduction of the topic. In the second paragraph, you have to write down the content. And in the third paragraph, you have to write down the conclusion of the topic. Okay, clear? Now let's move to one example. Here you can see one question. You are Namita or Naman. Write an article on the topic India a tourist's paradise. Okay, so you can say this as your title. India a tourist's paradise. Okay, I think you can see it clearly. Okay, India a tourist paradise. That is the topic. Okay. Now let me show you how to write this. Okay, see, this is your answer sheet. Consider this as your answer sheet and you are going to write the answer in your answer sheet. Okay, so you can write this as answer you are going to write. Okay, so here you can put down the question mark and write down in this center this topic. Okay, don't start from here or like that. You should have to write the topic in the center of the paper like this. India a tourists, say tourists paradise. Okay, and now you wrote your heading and after that in the you wrote the heading and after this in this center you have to write down by the name is here like given like Namita or Naman. Okay, so by Namita or Naman you can select. Okay, Naman, by Naman, this like you have to write down. So no need of underline or anything. You have to write down the topic like this. Like this means you can change this topic as your own. Okay, doesn't matter. But here it is given like this, so that's why I selected this. Okay, so India a tourist paradise, and after that you have to write down by your name. Or so if the name is given in the question paper, you can select that name, and otherwise you can write as your own name or anything like that. You have to write down. A name should be there by a name. Okay, so this is the first one you have to write down. And now you have to write down 3 paragraphs as usual. You are writing an essay and all, you can write down the contents into 3 paragraphs. Okay, so the first paragraph you have to write down the introduction, in the second paragraph you have to write down the content, and in the third paragraph you have to write down the conclusion of this topic. So these are the things you have to remember while you are writing an article. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you please contact me. Okay.